Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, July 20, 2025. Nilinaw ni Rica Peralejo ang kanyang na-delete na post tungkol kay Heart Evangelista, "I don't hate Heart." Si Rica Peralejo, isang dating aktres at ngayon ay isang vocal na personalidad online, ay nag-post sa Threads upang linawin ang isang dating tinanggal na post na nabanggit si Heart Evangelista, a global fashion icon and Kapuso star. In a thoughtful and transparent series of posts, Rica addressed the wave of reactions sparked by her earlier statement. Syempre, dahil lang sinabi kong si Heart E ay hindi natin ka-level ay, may, mga nag-react na kaagad, she wrote, pointing out how quickly her words were misunderstood. Expanding on her original message, Rica explained, "We don't have the same jobs and income brackets, so we cannot just expect ourselves to have the same level of everything, mapaganda, bahay, etc. kasi nga they have the choice to preserve themselves the way some of us don't." Binibigyang diin din niya na ang kanyang layunin ay hindi kailanman to discredit Heart's personal struggles in life. Also, yung comparison daw ng nahihirapan, I hope nabasa nilang false comparison nga ang sinabi ko. Hindi nga dapat, because theirs is a different kind of hard. We might not even like their hard versus ours. Rica clarified that her message was about recognizing different realities. She further reassured readers that the post was never meant to criticize Heart, whom she actually respects and admires. That was not a post against Heart because she is one of the most unique na personalities we have from the Philippines. I love her. I am also grateful that her openness to pursue beauty has given the license to many of us also to find our own version of that as well. Rica ended her thread with a firm reminder to online users, especially those coming from Reddit, if nandito kayo from Reddit para magalit sa akin, stop, take a deep breath, and know that I don't hate Heart. Her response was met with mixed reactions, but many still appreciated the clarity. I-click ang link sa description box at i-follow ang Instagram at thread ni Rica Peralejo Bonifacio. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios!